Give us a couple days. Be careful with that. It's like I always say, take care of your tools and they'll take care of you.
Yeah, we've heard it 1,000 times.
And it's worth repeating 1,000 times. Just like when I was in Sarajevo in 1984.
No. Local Olympic athlete Chris Bodon escaped serious injury by a well-maintained bobsled.
And that's exactly what I mean. I could have been seriously injured and none of you two would even be here.
Okay, everyone, dinner is served. What was that?
David, you better go check it out and make sure it's nothing serious.
Damn, what is taking him so long?
That boy wouldn't know his head from a hole in the ground. Why don't you see what's happening before he hurts himself? Scared the bejeebers out of me. So what was it? What took you so long?
We didn't find anything.
You didn't find anything. That's strange. Are you two done already? I guess we can call it a day. What are you two doing? Come on, let's get to work. What am I supposed to do with this?
Eat.
David, socket wrench. Be careful. It's like I always told you. Take care of your... What? Hey, what's going on with you two? You've been acting strange all day. Well, guess I'll see what's up this time.
How much longer is this gonna be? I thought you said this would be done already.
Not much longer now.
What was that? Did you hear that noise? I asked if you heard that noise. Alright. I'm gonna go check it out instead of waiting for all of you.